Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best ceramic trim coat is probably one of the most essential products for car enthusiasts looking to restore and protect their vehicle's exterior plastic and rubber trim, offering a deep, long-lasting shine that repels water and contaminants, ultimately enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal and value of your car. Number 5. CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Tired of dull, hazy headlights? Our kit brings them back to their original, crystal-clear condition. It's a simple solution for a brighter, safer drive. This isn't just a temporary fix. Our advanced ceramic coating chemically bonds to your headlights, offering UV protection that lasts as long as you own your vehicle. You can count on it. Forget about complicated tools that could harm your car. Everything you need is included in this kit. The process is safe and easy to do yourself. In just 30 minutes, you can achieve amazing results. Simply use the oxidation remover, the sanding kit, and then apply our industry-leading ceramic coating. Inside, you'll find everything required for a perfect restoration. We've included specialized wipes for oxidation removal, a sanding kit, and our protective ceramic coating wipes. Our ceramic coating doesn't just restore, it protects. It creates a durable layer that shields your headlights from harmful UV rays, ensuring their clarity for years to come. What we like. This product guarantees restoration that lasts as long as you own your vehicle. It's designed for a simple, 3-step process without the need for power tools. If you're looking for a permanent solution to cloudy headlights and want a hassle-free application, this is the one for you. What people say. This stuff really is amazing. Worked better than I expected. It was simple, quick, and great price. Headlights look new. This product truly surpassed expectations. What impressed me right away was the clarity and brightness after the final wipe. It was a noticeable difference, especially at night, and the light output looked way cleaner. Number 4. CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. This ceramic coating cures to your vehicle's plastics, restoring their look and protecting them from harmful UV rays. It's a lasting solution for your car's trim. Experience industry-leading protection with our inorganic ceramic technology. It's designed to last for over 200 washes, ensuring durability. Achieve a like-new finish in just a few simple steps. Clean your trim, let it dry, and use the pre-saturated wipes for a satisfying result. Forget about greasy sprays or pasty gels. Our kit includes gloves and individually packaged wipes for a clean and simple application process. This is a true ceramic coating, not a temporary dressing. It guarantees restoration that lasts, providing a durable and effective solution. What we like. This offers protection that lasts over 200 washes, providing a non-greasy, like-new finish. The application is incredibly straightforward with pre-saturated wipes. If you want a durable, easy-to-use trim restorer that avoids the common mess of sprays and gels, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is forgiving and there's time to even out. The first 20% of what you'll get out of the packet goes on heavy with the lightest touch. One packet goes a long way. The next 60% is the normal application. This goes on the easiest. It stayed liquid like water for at least 20 minutes in my conditions, about 80 degrees, not very humid, indirect sunlight on an 80-degree car. The product then gets sticky as it cures, but you can still work with it during the sticky time, rubbing it in and spreading it evenly with the towelette. Overlaps won't show as long as you rub it all in thoroughly. I tried the overlapping parallel passes method that they recommend, and this works pretty well. You can do a pretty natural, casual back and forth motion for the most part and it comes out fine. This is not a super finicky product. Number 3. CERAKOTE Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. Discover the ultimate protection for your vehicle's paint. This advanced ceramic sealant offers unparalleled gloss and shine, making your car stand out. Experience an incredibly smooth finish that repels dirt and grime with ease. Its slickness not only looks amazing but also makes cleaning effortless. Water beads up and rolls right off, taking contaminants with it. This extreme hydrophobicity keeps your vehicle cleaner for longer, even in harsh conditions. Enjoy long-lasting protection that stands up to the test of time. With a 50 wash rating, you can trust its durability and performance. Applying this ceramic spray coating is simple and quick. Elevate your car care routine with cutting-edge ceramic technology. It's the smart choice for maintaining a flawless finish. What we like. This sealant spray delivers unmatched slickness and extreme hydrophobicity with a 50 wash rating. It provides maximum gloss for a stunning finish. If you're aiming for a show car shine and superior water-repelling capabilities with a convenient spray application, this product is ideal. What people say. The ceramic trim coat provides a deep, rich black finish that lasts for months. It's incredibly easy to apply, just spray on and wipe off, and it leaves no streaks. Water beads up and rolls right off the treated surfaces, offering excellent protection. Number 2. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. Tired of dull, oxidized metal? This powerful polish cuts through tarnish and stains, restoring a brilliant shine to your vehicle's chrome, aluminum, and stainless steel. Watch as it effortlessly eliminates rust, oxidation, and stubborn stains. It reveals a smooth, reflective surface that looks like new again. Our unique formula doesn't just clean, it also applies a durable protective sealant. This helps resist future oxidation and keeps your metal looking great for longer. Perfect for automotive, motorcycle, and marine applications, it works wonders on wheels, trim, exhaust tips, and railings. It's also great for household metal fixtures. Achieving a high-gloss shine is simple. Just apply with a microfiber or foam applicator, work it into the surface, and buff to a mirror-like finish. This all-in-one restorer and protectant is your go-to solution for bringing metal back to life. It cleans, restores, and protects, making your metal surfaces shine. What we like. This polish effectively cleans, restores, and protects various metal surfaces, resisting future oxidation. Its versatility extends beyond automotive use to household fixtures. If you have multiple types of metal on your vehicle or around your home that need a brilliant, protected shine, this is a great all-in-one solution. What people say. It removed the surface rust on my polished aluminum wheels. So this polish does a great job doing what it's made to do, which is polish metal with a nice soft shine. This product made a 56-year-old piece of plastic look new, not just to me but random observers. It cleaned everything with a few scrubs and made it super shiny. Very impressed. Number 1. Chemical Guys HydroSlick Ceramic HyperWax. Experience the next level of shine and protection with our revolutionary ceramic wax. It combines the ease of a traditional wax with the advanced durability of a ceramic coating. Infused with SiO2 ceramic technology, it creates a slick, protective layer on your vehicle's surface. This layer actively repels water and dirt, enhancing depth and shine. Our advanced formula is safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, and wheels. It works flawlessly on various finishes, including clear coats and existing ceramic coatings. Enjoy months of incredible water beading and surface slickness with just a single application. This provides durable, long-lasting protection against the elements. Applying it is incredibly simple. Spread it evenly, let it cure, and buff away to reveal a stunning, streak-free, mirror-like finish. It's perfect for a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to motorcycles, RVs, and boats. Whether it's your daily driver or a show car, it delivers exceptional results. What we like. This product combines the ease of application of a wax with the long-lasting durability and protection of a ceramic coating. It provides an intense gloss and hydrophobic properties. If you desire a high-shine finish and robust ceramic protection without a complicated application process, this HyperWax is perfect for you. What people say. The gel formula applies easily with a microfiber pad, 4 to 5 dime-size drops per panel, spread thinly, and buffed off after a minute, leaving a deep, glossy finish that makes the paint pop and water bead impressively. The hydrophobic effect held up well through rain, dust, and occasional off-road grime, making washes quicker as dirt slid off easily. This ceramic coating goes on easy and comes easy. The shine is unbelievable. It made my 2006 truck shine like it was new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.